Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Today our topic is base preparation and paint consistency. So I have taken a 10 inches MDF board here and I will show you all the materials which are required to make a base. So first of all, what you have to do here is to make a base. You need an MDF board on which you have to make a dot mandala. This is a very basic thing. Okay, so see the width of the MDF board, which is 4 mm, and the diameter is 10 inches. I will measure it and show you. So see, in this way the diameter of this is 10 inches. We have to prepare the base to make the dot mandala. How can we paint it and how can we use it? Here I am using Camel Artist gesso. It is totally your choice. If you want to use it, it is optional. If you don't want to use it, you can directly apply black paint on it. You can apply whatever color base you want. I basically use black color mostly because black attracts all the color. Here I have taken a flat brush with 8 number, and you can check I have two colors with me, pink and black. So here we will first apply gesso on MDF board and then apply black paint. We will not do anything with pink today. I'll just tell you how to make the consistency of the paint normal. Okay, so pink doesn't work that well right now. We need two things, gesso and black paint, because I want a black base. Look at the consistency. It's very hard. It stays like this, so I don't use it. I don't apply it like this as it is. I mix it in a little bit of water. So I have taken a small bowl. I'll mix a little bit of water in it. After that, I'll mix gesso in it. Look at this. I have taken this much water. Now we will add gesso in it. After adding gesso, we will mix it well with the brush. After that, we will spread it all over the MDF. So first let's mix the gesso well. If you want to apply as it is, then you can. I apply 2 coats. That's why I make it thin like this. 2 coats will make your base stronger, more steady and long lasting. Okay, so there will be 2 coats here, first now, first a little, later on. I am going to start applying it now. If you have a bigger brush, I don't have the bigger brush available right now, so I have not using that. So I have this one. You can spread it quickly like this because it dries very quickly. If you apply it for a long time, it will become dry and thick. Then it won't spread well. So just spread it quickly as soon as you apply it on the base. Just spread it quickly as I am doing it. This will make your base strong. Clean the base before applying the gesso. So I have almost completed 1 coat of it. Now we will apply its second coat after it is dry. This was the first coat. Now we will do the second coat in a while. After 4 to 5 minutes, we will do the second coat. Till then, look at this. We have to wait for the second coat. It has started to dry. It dries very fast. The thinner you keep it, the faster it will dry. Try to put any rough paper on your workstation. This will prevent your workstation from getting dirty. Because in applying gesso and painting the base, your workstation gets very dirty. To save that, try to put any newspaper or rough paper. Let's apply the second coat. The same procedure applies for the second coat as well. I have kept the consistency a little thick so that more white color comes out. Spread it quickly like we did for the first coat. It's not a big deal. This point is completely optional. You can skip it if you want to. I have made artworks without gesso as well. Let's do it quickly. Try to use a bigger brush to spread it quickly and cleanly. It's going to complete our first part, so that apply the gesso. After this, our next step is to paint the base black. So let it dry completely. I have taken black because I have to keep a black base in my dot mandala. I show you its packaging. Its cost is 140 and the company is Camel. So if you want to buy, you can go with this. You can color the base of any color you want instead of black color. People use a lot of different color artworks. They use base. I have not used any other color so far, just because I feel that all the colors look good on black. If you take a base of any other color, then you have only a few options to use colors on black. If you do it on black, then you will have a lot of variety of colors. All the colors will look good with it. Okay, so I have shown you this gesso and the painting technique. You can buy this from any stationery shop. For black paint, I am using Fevicryl acrylic paint in 15 ml bottle. This bottle is about to finish, so I have this much paint left. The consistency of this paint is a little thick, so I have diluted it with water. Let's paint it black quickly like we applied gesso earlier. Let's quickly complete the black mandala. After that, I will tell you how to normalize the paint consistency for perfect dot. Guys, here I took a base of 10 inches. If you take a big base, then you may have difficulty in preparing the base, because the bigger the area, the more difficult it will be. But the procedure is going to be exactly the same. Try to paint the black paint as soon as possible, because acrylic paints dry very quickly. So to avoid that, try to apply the paint quickly. We will do 2 coats of black paint to make the base smooth. After that, this is our first coat, and in the second, the first coat is going to complete. Now we will prepare the second coat as well. I'll paint the 4 mm width of this MDF so that the front side is neat and clean. Keep it tight. I'm talking about the acrylic paint bottle. As soon as you see it, you have to close it tightly. What will happen with this? That your color will not be dry. It will not be thick. You are seeing how my newspaper is spoiled. That's why I was telling you that it is very important for you to apply rough paper while doing this. This will not spoil your workstation, your table, your material. These are the basic tips and tricks that we follow. Now we are doing the second coat. It is dry now. I'm doing the second coat. After 5 to 10 minutes, I have kept the same consistency. The black one in the paint was a little thicker, so I added a little water to make the consistency thinner. I will give you an example with the pink one and tell you how you can make the consistency thinner. I hope you like my techniques and tips and tricks on how to easily prepare the base for the dot mandala. If you are making a dot mandala on MDF, then you have to prepare the base first. This is the main thing. After that, your main grid and the dot mandala work starts. It is very easy to make. There is nothing in the base. You just have to paint it. But it's like you have to do a lot of hard work in it. You have to work with patience. I told you that if you take a small 2-inch MDF, mostly keychains are 2 inches in size. How much time it will take for that? Hardly 2 minutes. But as the base increases, your hard work, your material takes more time. So with that thing, you are already ensuring that if you are working on a large size, then definitely it will be time taking. Our second coat is already going to complete now. You will see that the base is well. Let it dry completely. Now I'm going to tell you how you can make the paint consistency normal. I'm going to put this on the side and then we will work on another topic. Our second coat is complete, guys. Our work is done. Base is prepared. In next video I will tell you how you can find out the center of the MDF. Because it is definitely 10 inches, even if you keep the scale in the center, it will not come in the exact center. Rest I will show you the paint consistency. See this color, pink, I am going to take. Now you can check the consistency of this color is too thick, that it doesn't move even when the bottle is moved. I flipped it so many times till the paint is not coming out. This happens mostly with the acrylic colors. It is very normal. See, it stuck to the tool. So what you have to do for this? I'll tell you. You have to take a little water, few drops of water, not much. Mix 4 to 5 drops of water in the bottle. Mix it well for at least 4 to 5 minutes. I have added 3 to 4 drops of water and mix it well. Let's check the consistency of the paint. I will tell you that sometimes you add water but it becomes too much. Leave your paint bottle open for 10 to 15 minutes if your paint bottle is too thin. Add water thin and little by little to make the paint thinner. Here you can see that I am mashing it quickly. Mix it well. Now you can see the consistency. The consistency of the paint should be such that when you tilt the bottle, the paint comes out. Mix it well for at least 5 minutes. Then you can apply a dot on rough paper and check the consistency. Remove all the paint with the tool like this. I'll show you how it is flowing. If it is too thick, add water drops and make it thin. If it is too thin, leave it under the fan for a while. Now you can check the consistency properly. Clean the tool with the sides of the bottle and remove the extra paint from the tool as well. Now check the consistency. I will put a dot on the rough paper. Maybe you can't see it clearly on the screen. I'll show you on the back side of the MDF. Because we have already painted the front side, so we will not shade it. I will show you the back side, how the color is coming and how the consistency is looking. Let's take the back side of the MDF and try the consistency on this. In the next video, I will tell you how you can find out the center of your MDF board. Basic techniques to hold the tool, how to apply dots, or how to draw basic patterns. I will tell you all this in the next video. In today's video, we have covered these two topics, that how you can prepare the base and how to keep the consistency of the paint. Now I hope you try to wash this brush and tool on the spot, so that your brush and your tool will remain safe. I hope you liked this video. I will see you in the next video. Just clean your tools as well. Don't forget. Only then your tools and brushes can remain safe for a long time if you will clean them properly time to time. Guys, I'll see you in the next video and I will tell you that how to find the center on MDF. Take care everyone. Bye bye.